Hey there, welcome back to my kitchen faucet channel. Today, we're tackling a common plumbing problem, a leaky or malfunctioning 3-handle shower valve. If your shower is dripping, sputtering, or you're struggling to control the temperature, chances are your cartridges need replacing. Don't worry, it's a DIY-friendly project, and I am going to walk you through every step. Let's get started. Tools and materials: new replacement cartridges, screwdriver set, adjustable wrench or socket set, pliers, flashlight, plumber's grease, small container. Step 1. Safety first and water shutoff. Safety is paramount when working with plumbing. First, make sure you turn off the water supply to your shower. Locate the main water shutoff valve for your house, or the individual shutoff valves for the shower, if available. These are usually located in the basement, utility room, or near the water heater. Once you've located the valve, turn it clockwise to shut off the water. Then, turn on the shower to drain any remaining water from the pipes. This will prevent a mess when you remove the cartridges. If you are unsure where your water shutoff is, consult your home's manual or contact a professional. Step 2. Removing the handles. Now, let's start by removing the shower handles. Depending on your shower, the handles might have decorative caps that conceal the screws. If so, gently pry them off with a flathead screwdriver or your fingers. Once the caps are off, you'll see the screws holding the handles in place. Use the appropriate screwdriver to remove them. Be careful not to strip the screws. After removing the screws, gently pull the handles straight off the valve stems. If they stuck, you can try gently rocking them back and forth. If they are very stuck, do not force them. A gentle tap with a rubber mallet may help, but be very cautious. Step 3. Removing the escutcheon plates. With the handles removed, you'll see the escutcheon plates, which are the decorative rings that cover the valve openings. These plates might be held in place by screws or simply snap on. Remove the screws if present, or carefully pull the plates straight off. Step 4. Identifying the cartridges. Now, you'll see the cartridges inside the valve body. The diverter cartridge controls the water flow to the shower head or tub spout. Before removing the cartridges, take a good look at them. Notice their shape, size, and any markings. This will help you identify the correct replacements. Take a picture with your phone. If your cartridges are old or damaged, it might be difficult to identify them. In that case, you can take one of the old cartridges to your local hardware store or plumbing supply store for comparison. Step 5. Removing the cartridge retaining nuts. The cartridges are held in place by retaining nuts. Use an adjustable wrench or socket to loosen and remove these nuts. Turn them counterclockwise to loosen. Be careful not to damage the valve body or the cartridge threads. If a nut is stuck, you can try applying penetrating oil and letting it sit for a few minutes. Once the nuts are removed, you should be able to pull the cartridges straight out of the valve body. If they stuck, gently wiggle them back and forth. Step 6. Installing the new cartridges. Now, it's time to install the new cartridges. Before installing them, apply a generous amount of plumber's grease to the O-rings and seals. This will make them easier to install and prevent leaks. Insert the new cartridges into the valve body, making sure they reoriented correctly. They should fit snugly. Step 7. Securing the retaining nuts. Once the cartridges are in place, reinstall the retaining nuts. Tighten them securely with your wrench or socket, but be careful not to over-tighten them. Step 8. Reinstalling the escutcheon plates and handles. Reinstall the escutcheon plates and secure them with the screws or by snapping them back into place. Then, reattach the shower handles and secure them with the screws. Finally, snap the decorative caps back on. Step 9. Testing for leaks. Now, it's time to test for leaks. Turn the water supply back on slowly. Check for any leaks around the handles, escutcheon plates, and shower head. Turn on the shower and test the hot, cold, and diverter functions. Make sure the water flow and temperature are correct. And that's it. You've successfully repaired your 3-handle shower valve. Remember, taking your time and being careful is key to a successful repair. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more DIY plumbing tips. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.